entire like bit of land.
Yeah. What do you
Oh,
think
it's been 12 minutes, Dave.
What do you think that the Grand Canyon is? Someone opened a portal to a black hole. It just sucked a bunch of Earth off.
That's
how it
Sucks a
works.
bunch of Earth off. Wow.
Sounds
Yeah,
good to me, honestly.
Man, are you a scientist, Will?
Yeah, you can almost mistake me for a theoretical physicist.
Yeah. Fucking Sheldon Cooper over there.
Flat Earthers want to know your location.
My roommate in uni was a flat earther.
Was he actually, though? Was he just one of those people
No,
who
I
did it for
don't know.
attention?
No, honestly, he is one of the people that you just don't know.
Yeah.
And all these conspiracy things, you just didn't know if he genuinely took them seriously or not.
Yeah.
Because he was this guy, it was so confusing.
The one that
He would come
annoys
out
me
with
the
like,
most.
he was convinced that planes, there was like a part of the Earth where planes just disappear and they like reappear.
Like an
somewhere
instant.
Like, yeah, like, and they're saying, oh, it's because the Earth's not round, it's like
They
flat.
just
They
went-
come off one side of the Earth and come on the other. And you're like, what?
Yeah, they just went into a quest incident.
Yeah, he's been playing too much WoW.
I told him the logic of the disk Earth that's just accelerating now. Because think like if the Earth is traveling through space at 9.8 meters per second,
Yeah.
we wouldn't fall because we would have that same momentum. So as soon as we add force, we would just go up. So we need to be accelerating at 9.8 meters per second. The only problem with that is it means within about a day, we would be traveling half the speed of light. So
Everyone would get.
and then things start to get real weird at half the speed of light because everything starts to squash and start to tint red, and like stuff seems to stretch and warp, and time starts to slow down and stuff like that. And then within a couple of days, we would be at the speed of light. So,
I mean,
unless planet Earth is less than 2 days old, you know, I'm pretty sure we can't be accelerating at 9.8 meters
yeah,
per second.
there's Will. The problem with that is you try to use logic against someone that clearly doesn't have any. That's like people that don't believe in the moon landing. We literally have put retro reflectors
He didn't believe in the moon
on
landing
the moon.
either. He was showing me like
If you get a powerful enough laser, you could shine it at the moon and it'd get reflected back at you.
oh no, yeah.
Because we put something up there. So
No, but he showed me photos of the moon landing, and supposedly the background mountains are like just props. They're like scenes, like
Oh.
movie sets. Because apparently one hill is like seen twice at two different
Wait,
angles.
who is this?
Isn't it? This is my roommate in uni.
Oh no, he's not a flat earther, is he?
I think he was, yeah. And
Is he
he
still?
believed in like he was talking about like reptilian aliens and stuff.
Oh no, not the.
Because it's literally just called video compression. Like every bit of in quotes evidence that he showed me was just like into frame
You
compression.
try broadcasting video from the moon
But
without any
also,
compression.
also a thing that people don't necessarily know about the moon landing video is that we basically lost it all because it was something like got destroyed or something. So we had to like try and recreate, not recreate, but like try and repair
Sounds
the
like my bloody
footage.
dad. My dad's
So
on
it's
about this
like-
shit. Thinking the moon landing was fake and everything.
we lost the footage. That's very convenient, Will.
Well, we didn't lose it, but it got like we still have some of the footage, but like
Nah.
a lot of the footage and stuff got like destroyed or something.
Oh, they have a confirmation bias. It's very convenient that we lost the footage. It's like how many YouTubers
Well, I
do you
mean,
hear
just
of that
literally
lost the
look at the
footage?
thing. Well, just look at the thing that like Elon Musk did. He launched it like Tesla into space. That proves we have rockets.
Yeah,
I
but
mean,
we
we-
didn't do it then, is their argument.
No, I mean,
No
why
one's
wouldn't
been
we have
back to
done
the
it again?
moon since.
We're flying around the planet at like 10,000 miles an hour in the International Space Station.
How do no? Honestly, Will, there's no point in arguing with them because how do they explain the rocket taking off? That was broadcasted live to every TV in America.
Oh, that was CG. It's fake videos.
Oh,
It was just a little model with a firecracker in it.
What about the people that
Blow
literally
down the
physically
footage.
watched the rocket go up into the sky?
No, they were all
Actors.
FBI agents.
I
They
mean,
were paid.
we're talking as if they have any sort of.
And that's the thing is, ever since then, like, there's been so many launches of. Do they deny that the International Space Station exists?
I know, because you can see the International Space Station fly around every half hour.
Nah, it's
They
just
can literally
Photoshop.
Can you
You
see
don't-
the flag that they planted on the moon?
If you've got a decent enough telescope, yeah.
I mean, you need one hell of a telescope.
Sorry, I cut out. Can you see the flag that they planted on the moon?
Not with a telescope that any any person would own.
But the point is, if you can clearly see that there's an International Space Station up there, right, and the moon landing was faked, why wouldn't they just go to the moon nowadays? Because you can't deny that it's really possible to go to the moon.
Oh no. The reason we haven't done it again is because there is no reason to. There's
Exactly.
nothing up there of use.
Like, if they faked it, there'd still be a reason to because they haven't actually been yet.
Hmm.
There's that whole conspiracy that
they'd
there's
be like-
aliens up there though as well.
But then they'd be like, oh, by the way, guys, we faked the moon landing. We're gonna do it for real this time because we can actually do it now.
I mean, there's that, but like first of all, why would the opponents in the space race say, yeah, they got there?
That's the other thing.
Why?
Yeah,
The Russians,
Russia of all places,
of all the
would not
people,
go, yeah,
the
yeah,
Russians
they
would
got
probably be
there."
like, oh, they hoaxed it, wouldn't they?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
exactly.
Russia's like, yeah, fair play to them, they beat us. Actually, it's probably a bit more Russian than that.
Sick of it. They beat us.
Такие, блядь, they beat us to the moon.
Rush
That's the official news report in Russia. It starts with "Suka, blat, they beat us to the moon."
P90
No,
Rush
because the moon would
BBS.
beat them to us. Because in Russia everything's flipped, isn't it?
Right, okay.
In Russia, moon comes to you. Oh god.
It's Mother Russia, by the way. If
Mother
you're saying
Russia.
it like that.
Groli Tvetstotska.
In Mother Russia, food eats you.
Exactly, there we go.
Are you coming on Overwatch, or am I just gonna sit here
Oh
waiting?
shit, yeah, fuck. I need to hand in this quest, I will be about 30 seconds. Oh.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna turn around. Desert you.
Is Will already on, is he?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay,
No,
never
I
mind
can
then.
load up in just a sec. It's finished updating.
I don't feel quite as
I,
bad
I
now.
love r/young people YouTube. It's like one of the newest, like, good subs.